In this guide, I'll show you how to add already installed games to the Epic Games Launcher. For this example, I already have Fall Guys installed on my computer. However, when I click on it in the launcher, it asks me to download and install it again. Here's how to fix that. First, locate the installation path used by the Epic Games Launcher. The easiest way to do this is to open any game that is already installed. Click on the three dots below the game, select Manage, and then click the folder icon to open its install location. In my case, my games are stored on the D drive inside the Epic Games folder. Next, find the folder of the game you've already installed, in this case, Fall Guys. Before moving it, you need to create a matching folder in the launcher directory. To do that, go back to the Epic Games Launcher, start installing the game, and let it begin downloading. Once the installation starts, cancel it by clicking the three dots and selecting Cancel Install. This step creates a new folder for the game in the correct location. Now return to the installation path you opened earlier. Inside the Epic Games folder, you should see a newly created folder for the game. Open it. Then, locate your existing game files on your computer. For example, mine are stored on the C drive under Program Files in the Epic Games folder. This location may vary depending on your setup. Open the folder containing the existing game files, press Ctrl+A to select everything, and then press Ctrl+C to copy the files. After that, go back to the newly created game folder and press Ctrl+V to paste all the files into it. Once the files are copied, you can delete the original folder to free up space if you no longer need it. Finally, return to the Epic Games Launcher and click Install again. Instead of downloading the entire game, the launcher will verify the existing files, which is much faster. If this guide helped you, consider liking and subscribing for more tutorials.